Hello and welcome to PATLITE Tech Tips, where we spotlight products, troubleshoot, share unboxings, and more. Today we are unboxing and wiring an M1ANN. This multicolor beacon is 57mm diameter and can be one of 7 colors based on the wiring. Opening the box, we have the manual inserts. These include wiring diagrams and mounting hole positions. We have the beacon itself and the waterproof gasket. In other models with a touch sensor, the cover can twist off to access the dip switches to change the operating mode. Here I have a 24-volt DC power supply with some Wago connectors. The yellow wire goes to one side of power and gray to the other. Then it is the 3 color wires for control. Red wire for red light, green wire for green light, blue wire for blue light. Blue and red gives purple, red and green gives amber, blue and green give cyan, and all 3 wires together give white. Thank you for watching, and please consider following us on our social media channels for more PATLITE Tech Tips. Have a great day.